back. It has been no surprise that I have had my struggles postpartum with second baby. After having 2 kids, healing and feeling like myself again has been a very layered process between being sleep deprived, nursing a lot, also nursing through the night, having a baby that does not sleep, trying to take care of myself, which really has not been happening at all because it feels impossible. No, not in your mouth, not in your mouth, not in your mouth. She was just trying to eat one of these. Like, are we kidding? Now keeping up with a 1-year-old and an almost 4-year-old. Basically what I'm trying to say is that I have been running on empty for way too long, over a year now. And so I want to share my postpartum wellness routine that I'm going to try to stick to. Babe. You okay, baby girl? Basically I need to keep it simple. Something's gotta give, and I need to do a couple things. So basically, I need to do just a couple things differently to make myself feel better, to fill up my cup. Mama's tired. So thank you to Seed for sponsoring this video. Let's get into what I've been doing. So a big part of my new postpartum wellness routine is taking a multivitamin. I've been taking Seed's DM-02 daily multivitamin. I'm so particular about having the kids take their supplements, and I'm so good about doing that. But for some reason, it's so hard for me to take them. So now I just set this next to theirs so that we do them all together. Why is it so hard for us to take care of ourselves? I don't know. But literally, I make sure the kids get their supplements every single day, and then I'm over here like depleted. So this has been really good because it's an all-in-one, and it's really nice because it's a daily multivitamin. So I know that I'm getting everything that I need in this. I'm very big on getting nutrients from foods. But there comes a time when you have gaps between nutrition, and it can be confusing of not knowing like what to take to make sure you're filling those gaps. We eat in abundance over here. We eat a variety of plant-based foods that nourish our bodies, but being postpartum and being so depleted, I don't know what I'm missing and what I'm getting. So having everything all in one is actually very, very helpful because I know I'm getting 100% of what I need every single day. Truly, that makes such a difference. And I need something that is convenient. Why did I choose to give her the loudest toy in the whole world right next to me? I don't know. Postpartum is this wild, beautiful, hard, very depleting time of your life. You give everything, you give your body, you give your energy, you give your nutrients to your baby, and then life just keeps going. And I feel like I've just been getting more and more and more and more and more depleted. And I've shared, not maybe like a whole lot, but I've definitely shared the struggle of my postpartum journey. I feel like I haven't shared a ton because it's been such a vulnerable, fresh thing still. So I've tried to keep some of my cards close. I mean, I have shared, but I don't think I've shared how hard it truly has been. And I feel like now that I'm getting to a year, I'm like, something's gotta give. Something's gotta give, and I have to start filling my cup up. Having just a couple habits that I'm sticking to that I know are helping my body is just going to be absolutely a game changer for me. Seed's DM-02 delivers 100% daily value of 20 vitamins and minerals to my body, into my gut microbiome, and it is helping to fill any of those nutrition gaps that I have, that I know I have right now. And I also love that the serving size is just 1 capsule every single day. That just makes it very easy and convenient. I also love that it's engineered for absorption. So it's using bioavailable ingredients that my body can more easily absorb and use. And then the inner capsule is designed to nourish and support the gut microbiome. So I'm really just getting everything that I need. It also helps to promote whole body health. So it's supporting my immune function, healthy aging, bone health, hair, skin, nails, all of that is getting a nice little boost with 1 capsule a day. Not only is this going to help with my energy, but it's also going to help with my skin and just, like I said, overall health, which I need everything from the inside out right now. Taking Seed's DM-02 is actually giving me confidence that I can show up better every single day because I'm fueled, I have energy, I know that I'm getting what my body needs. It truly just puts me in a better mood and makes me be able to accomplish everything I need to within a day and to be more present with my children, knowing that I'm taking care of myself while I'm also taking care of them. Okay, it's the next day. I got to sleep in today. Above all the things, if I could just have sleep be a part of my wellness routine, I'd be a happy girl. One of the most important parts of a wellness routine is sleep. And I don't get that very much these days, but I got to sleep in this morning. And when I tell you, I feel like a fairy floating around the prairie. I feel so good right now. And I took my multivitamin a little bit ago, so I actually feel like I have energy to go get a workout in, which is another part of my wellness routine that I'm trying so hard to stick to because I have not worked out literally in months. Maybe I do a random workout here and there, but let's be honest, there's been no consistency, no actual routine until now. So I'm going to go let the chickens roam around the yard while I get a workout outside in the sunshine, because that's another thing I need is sunshine on my skin, especially now that it's starting to get a little bit colder and going into fall. So I'm gonna go work out. I'm gonna do a form workout. It's gonna be, I think, a 20 or 25 minute full body strength workout, and I'm gonna go knock that out. Commit to doing that. Clark has the girls at the park, so I have to do this, and I'm so excited because I know this is gonna make me feel so much better. I'm gonna go get my workout in. Hey girls, you now? Here, I'll put you out. Come on. Another thing that I'm sticking to is making my heavy metal detox smoothie about 3 times a week at least. Sometimes I'll do it more, just kind of depends on the ingredients that I have on hand. But I make this for myself and I make this for the girls, and I try to do this first thing in the morning before we have a bigger breakfast. And then lastly, avoiding caffeine. Sometimes I'll do decaf or an alternative because caffeine stimulates the release of stress hormones like cortisol or adrenaline, and that can overwork the adrenal glands, give you adrenal fatigue. So I've been trying to avoid that at all costs. All right, that is everything that I'm going to include for now for my wellness routine, because if I were to add so many other things that I want to add in, I know I'm not gonna do it because it's gonna feel overwhelming. So that's gonna be everything, but thank you again to Seed for sponsoring today's video. And if you guys wanna check them out, then you can use code Plantiful20 at checkout for 20% off of Seed's DM-02 Daily Multivitamin. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.